everyone. In this video, I actually programs I'm doing on a online compiler of C++, that is programmers. Okay, here this is the area where you can write your programs, and this is the area where you can see your output. This is run. After completing your program, you have to click on this run button so that you will get your program will be processed and the output can be seen in this screen. Okay, so coming to the program, this program is about user sorry derived data types, demonstration of derived data types. So in this I used function, arrays, pointers. These are the derived data types. Okay, so coming to function must be defined before the main function. Before main function we have to uh, declare define and declare the function by giving the data type it returns, and this is the function name, and this is the body of the function. After completing the function, you have to specify a semicolon after the flower brackets. Next, int main. After this we start the C++ main coding, main body. So here we have to specify the string variable with this scope operator and using std namespace. Okay, because this std namespace, in this namespace these all are specified. So by using that means only using this scope only we can, scope resolution operator only we can access a string from std namespace. Okay, here this is the string type array. How many? Four values we uh, what we say, four values we inserted in this array. Okay, this is these are the types of cars, the names of the types of cars. Okay, so total four. The numbers are given from 0 0 1 2 3. Okay, so total how many? 1 2 3 4. Actually this 4 is the total number of uh, elements within the array. Here the in array you can save the values of same data type. Here string, we can use only the string elements you can insert in the array. Okay, so next coming to std out, that is nothing but printing the element in the second position of the array. Second element, second position of the array, whatever the element is there, that will be printed here. Okay, next coming to this is function calling. Okay, function calling, this is only for declaring and defining. How can you get the output of this particular function? You have to call the function here. Okay, see, for example, in general life, if there is any marriage or function, will call your relatives. No, you just put a function. Everyone can't understand. Don't know. When you call for the function, they'll come, right. In the same way, here also the function is declaration. This is defining and declaring the function. Here, this one is calling the function. When you call this with the function name here, then only you can see the output from this function. Okay, next coming to this std scope for resolution operator, string food is equals to pizza. Here this is a string type variable. Now after that I created a pointer. Pointer is nothing but a variable which saves the address of any given variable. Here for this pointer, and the pointer also must be of the type variable. See, here food is string with type, so the pointer created is also a string type, and here you are adding the storing the food address. Here where the food is given the address in the memory, that will be saved in the pointer, that is here ptr bar. This is the name of the pointer. Okay, so declaring and defining and declaring the pointer in this way. Okay, next coming to food print, means that you can see the output, what is food and what is ptr1. Understood? Now let us see the output of this. Click on run. Yes, here you can see the output. First one is for, where we got, this is the output for this 11th line of the program. Output is Ford, means cars of 2. So it starts from starting element 0, 1, 2. So Ford is the answer here. Next, coming to next, what is the cout function here? Cout here, food. Sorry, here we called function, no, in the function call, what we have, cout, this is my first function, so that is printed. Next, coming to next cout, that is food. What is food here? Saved pizza, so pizza. Next, coming to pointer, ptr1. If you come this, what is the pointer is specified with the address of the food variable, so this is the address, means in the memory the food variable got the address of this type. Understood? Like this you can see the data types, derived data types. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.